Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a chocolate themed bracelet using only rubber bands and nothing else. So without any further ado, let's go. First, you have to select the color of the rubber band of your choice. Then, you have to make a cross using it, and then simply follow the instructions shown in the video. When you think the length is enough, then lock the bracelet like this. Now, if you want to wear it, tie it up as shown in the video.
Wow!